Hi guys, my name is Henry again from GI Technologies. Currently we are inside Adenta and we are done with our project. Took us some days to actually finish up everything here. Now as you can see, this is a beautiful gate for the clients. We have two of these gates and fully automated, and then also we have the wall design. So that's the first wall design, and then that is the second one for the client. As you can see, very nice. The client said he wanted the same design as the gate, so we have to put the same beautiful wall design for the gate, and then also the wall top railings. Now this gate is fully automated, as I told you. So let me show you. So as you can see, it's fully automated, and we put a smart motor for the client. Let's go, let me show you the gate number 2. Let's go. Now this is the gate number 2. As you can see, this gate is also fully automated, and the client can use one remote, the blue button for the gate number 1 and then the red button for the gate number 2. So let me trigger the gate again. As you can see, very nice and very clean installation. If you have any projects, make sure you give us a call. Now we did a lock system for the clients in case the client want to put the gates on manual. So we do the lock system. I want to show you how it works. Come here, let me show you. So this is the gate lock system. So when the gate is on manual and the client want to put it on, use a padlock, or maybe the batteries has run down and then they want to use the padlock, this is the lock system. It goes up like this, and then it enters and everything is sorted. This, we have the same thing over there. Let's go, let me show you that one too. The same thing here. If the clients want to run this gate manual, they can always place this lock system, put it here, and they can put their padlock here. If you have any gate project, make sure you give us a call. We are into fabrication and automation. So anything that has to do with fabrication and automation, make sure you call us. We are in Accra, Kumasi, Tamale. Now we are everywhere in Ghana. We have the best guys in the market. We are the best guys in the market. We have the best prices, and we always do the best job. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more of our videos. Thank you.